Planning to do CPA from India? Well, this video is exactly for you. Welcome to my channel. This is Vritti and I recently cleared all my CPA examinations. So I just thought why not to share my journey and details about CPA, because since I posted about this on my LinkedIn, my DMs are flooded with so many queries कि कौन एलिजिबल होता है, इसे कैसे कर सकते हैं, क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, डिफिकल्टी लेवल क्या है, कॉस्ट कितना होता है, एंड यू नो व्हाट आर द जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, सैलरी पैकेजेस क्या होते हैं. So this video covers each and every query you have for this course. Before we get deep into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. अगर आप अपनी प्रोफेशनल जर्नी फाइनेंस में स्टार्ट कर रहे हो या ग्रो करना चाहते हो, let's connect and let's grow together. Okay, so starting about CPA, exactly CPA है क्या? So US CPA is a US equivalent CA. ओके जैसे इंडिया में सीए की सिग्नेटरी अथॉरिटी होती है, दैट इज काइंड ऑफ अ सिमिलर थिंग इन यूएस फॉर सीपीएस. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज कि हु ऑल आर एलिजिबल टू गिव दिस एग्जामिनेशन. सीपीए की एलिजिबिलिटी का एक बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है कि यू नीड टू हैव एटलीस्ट 120 क्रेडिट्स टू सिट फॉर दिस एग्जाम. अब 120 क्रेडिट्स इंडिया रूल्स में कैसे होते हैं? सो ईदर यू हैव योर ग्रेजुएशन प्लस पोस्ट ग्रेड, or you are a graduate student plus you have a CA intermediate or CA final background. That helps you cover all your 120 credits to sit for the exams. Next, let's talk about the course structure. So CPA में you need to give 4 exams, जो कि है FAR, which is Financial Accounting and Reporting, Auditing, Regulations, that is more about US taxation, और एक होता है optional subject where you have 3 options and you need to give exam for any of them. Now the pass percentage, the average pass rate for each of the exams is about 40 to 70% depending on the subject. I'll just add a screenshot which will have the details about the recent pass percentages. Talking about the score requirement, so to clear an exam you need to score 75 percentile in each of the examination. Now all of these exams are completely online based, so आपको सेंटर जाना होगा. You need to go to the center. You will be giving the exam, जो कि 4 hours का होगा, and it would consist of 2 elements. एक होगा MCQs and दूसरे होंगे task questions kind of thing. Even those will be completely online. So yeah, that's the base of the course. Now let's talk about the future scope. So which are the top companies जो कि CPA hire करती हैं. Starting with the big fours, KPMG, EY, PwC, Deloitte, many financial as well as other MNCs like Accenture, Grant Thornton, JP Morgan, international banks. So yeah, you can definitely get into all of these top companies. Talking about the kind of job roles you can get into after CPA, well I would say you can get into financial analysis. आप FP&A में जा सकते हो, आप auditing, taxation, consulting, basically anything related to finance. The CPA opens the gates for you. Coming to the most asked question कि how expensive is becoming a US CPA from India. Yes, अगर हम लोग इंडियन कोर्सेज जैसे CA CS से कंपेयर करें, थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेंसिव ज़रूर है. On an average, it would cost around 5 to 5.5 lakh, including the coaching fees, the examination fee, international testing fees, because on an average एक एग्जाम जो है वो around 75,000 INR का पड़ जाता है हमें. उसके अलावा वी हैव कोचिंग फीस, वी हैव रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस, लाइसेंस की फीस, सो अराउंड 5.5 लाख ऑन एन हायर एंड आप समझ के चलो. अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन विच आई एम आस्क्ड द मोस्ट इज कि हाउ मच कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट आफ्टर बिकमिंग ए CPA. सो येस, मैं भी अभी जॉब सर्च फेज में हूँ एंड जितना मैंने अपनी रिसर्च अपने एक्सपीरियंस से समझा है, वेल ऑन एन एवरेज यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट अराउंड 6 to 14 LPA एज अ फ्रेशर, डिपेंडिंग आप किस मेट्रो सिटी में हो, आप कौन सी सिटी में वर्क करना चाह रहे हो, आपका प्रोफाइल क्या है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट इंक्रीजेस बाय टाइम एंड एक्सपीरियंस. Lastly, is it worthy enough to become a US CPA in 2025? I would say yeah, definitely. If you are considering a career in finance or you want to work for financial firms globally, you should definitely consider this course. Yes, थोड़ा difficult ज़रूर है clear करना, but right mindset, right strategy and being focused, especially for the people who are also working alongside, you can do it. I mean, थोड़ा focus चाहिए and it's definitely worth it. Do share this video with your friends who are considering a career in finance, and yeah, I'll be sharing more such informative videos with you. If you have any queries or suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. I might help you with the queries in the next video. and keep following. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and do like this video if you found it informative. And thanks.